I love how the water looks like it's clearly 4 pieces that are like pasted together in the middle. Boom, boom, boom.
Across to this door. I actually remembered a lot more of this temple than I thought.
Yeah. Aren't there like 4 temples in this? There's like a water temple,
Oh, Jesus. Just instant. No cutscene or nothing like that. It's just like...
He's right for you.
Dead. Oh, I forgot about this part. She suddenly turned. Oh. Come on, get out of it.
Go. That. Okay.
It's like Destiny. Oh, get wrecked.
Get him.
I messed up. Alright, where is he at? Pretty good.
On the wall. He's even making like roadrunner noises. Beep beep.
Like it didn't let me hit him.
I love the animation of him flying through the air. It's literally just like the animation of him laying down. And then he like comes on the wall. Flash player photoshops the air there.
And he's dead.
The troll just fades into nothing.
Just disintegrates.
Oh!
Well,
He's a regular frog.
they didn't blow up in flames, so
Like everything else, that just...
that's pretty impressive there.
There's a side quest that involves this frog, but I'm probably not going to do that unless I actually have to or something worthwhile. Sorry, soda makes me gassy. You got the boss key.
Wow, this wasn't even the boss?
Nope, this was a second mini boss. Oh, I never noticed the gem is a skull shape.
Ah. That's interesting.
It's funny. We've got the main item from this dungeon. We got the boss key, but we don't know where the boss is. We haven't found the boss.
Yeah.
You can actually go there.
Probably
Hey, look,
oh,
there's the boss room. It's directly across from you.
Yeah, we're right in here, so we go through that door and should be just.
Aren't the
Okay.
white things doors?
Yeah.
Then we're straight across from you.
Okay, so I'm at the top looking down.
Yeah, but look at it really quick. Is that orange dot you?
That orange dot's a treasure chest, I think.
Oh, yeah. We're in the flashing.
Oh, okay, you're in that.
Yeah.
So you have to go, what, to the door on the right?
The door on the left. Well, when looking at the
Which room did you just come out of?
it's
the top one.
the top one next to the one with the boss skull on it.
Yeah, so what? So if you look out, you need to go through the door on the right. Or you can go into the main room,
Yes.
and then you have to go right again. Alright.
I will trust your word on that.
Well, what? That's...
Yeah, door on the right goes. Yeah, there we go.
Okay,
No.
so which door on the right, though?
I'm just gonna say top.
Yeah, from top.
High ground is better than low ground.
How does
Just ask Obi-Wan.
us figure this out? Seriously, like this is way too complicated. Like the modern
then it's
gamer
right
would
there.
be stumped by this.
Truth be told, 5-year-old me did. It was my dad that.
Actually, my dad carried me to victory.
Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. We have the means to. We have the technology. We can rebuild him. We just need to find this. Oh, wait.
You need a froggy?
I know what to do.
Sacrifice the frog to the ashes.
Yep.
Shoot an arrow through that. Lights on fire. Lights that on fire.
Can we do it from this angle? Trigonometry experts, you've probably already figured out whether or not I can do it from this angle. But I say screw it.
Close.
There we go.
Look at that.
Wood is opening. The water is fresh.
Obviously, because it went from purple to blue. Now, can you go through the door? Nope. It still hates you.
Oh, I had to go through that door, I guess. Or okay. Well then.
Or you go back up the ladder and walk across. Or wait.
Oh wait, that's just. Cut him. Oh, I don't want to play Ocarina.
Play music on this dead body.
This is the music of my people.
Taunting in 2000.
Yep, teabagging is so last year. It's all about playing music.
Are
you kidding me? Hopefully there's like some pots or plants or potted plants there that I can Oh, never mind. We got full health again.
Hey, look at that.
Hey.
Hey!
What have we here?
What is this? What is this?
So obviously jump early.
Now I'll just jump 2 centuries later.
Oh.
Okay, what is this? Where? What does this do for me?
I need to go across the other side there.
There.
Wait, we're
Light the
still there.
torch.
Oh.
That
What
is...
have we here?
That's hot.
It's coming up right after this pillar.
Oh, wait a minute. It just spins on right before, so...
Yeah.
Okay, it was too high. Oh, God. I'm terrible at freehanding this. Okay, so...
Meow.
Nice, Evan.
And there's a button. What does button do?
I don't know. I kind of don't
What was
want
up with Death Star, man?
Wow. I honestly thought you missed that, but okay.
There we go. 5 fairies.
I have a big head.
Oh, this
room's
room.
fun.
By fun, you mean too complicated. Way too complicated.
Oh, yeah. It's like calculus.
Right?
I mean, our teacher called it fun, but we knew better.
It's because the teacher has to teach it all the time. They just know the answer. It's just like, yep.
Oh, I forgot this about old Zelda games. You can't hit return and expect to not lose a couple arrows along the way. Okay, let's see here. I guess I just can't shoot them, so I just gotta jump down here. Climb up.
Ooh, I see some blue rubies.
Let's grab these.
Oh yeah!
$20.
Oh.
Oh,
Get wrecked.
ha! He missed. He done screwed up Aaron. Let's see here.
In the flower. Over that flower.
Flower over that flower. Actually, we should go over this flower. This is probably what you said, but I couldn't tell. I don't particularly care about getting the fairies. Okay. I'll just go through this Oh. I promise, guys, I'm smarter than this. You know, sometimes.
Hey, cool, look.
Hey!
It all worked out.
Nope, the auto-targeting does nothing. Are you kidding me? Screw it, we'll just...
Respawn us back up there. What happens if you pull the shield out on him? Is he...
I don't know. But I don't care. What do you think of me now? Huh?
These girl cats his ass.
Okay, let's see here. How does
There's
this...
a torch on the other side of the door. It's like in that spot down there. Yeah, it's behind that. The other one. You shoot the other one, you should light the torch.
Lower.
I thought there was a torch over there. I saw it earlier. It's not.
Oh, I think there's like a diamond there. Shine bright like a diamond.
Shit.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
A little to the left. A little more to the left. Yeah, the controls on this are a little bit jumpy. There we go.
So what, now you have to go to that flower that's down over there, jump up to the right. Well, what is to the right?
Yeah, I think so. Or wait, there's a flower back here.
Like ceiling photo.
I don't care. We're gonna try it.
Hey, can I make it?
Yep. Oh, just barely made it.
Like, how's that flower still there? It was literally just on fire.
They're flame retardant.
Whoa.
Apparently that only had a limited amount of time.
That's terrifying.
Go, 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 go. Oh.
Oh.
Ah, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, let's do that. Oh, it's just money? I'm not
Can't even get up to 100. Just
Nope.
sit at 99.
Yeah, we have to upgrade the wallet. Okay, first boss fight. Let's do this, guys. You ready?
There we go. If I learned anything from Dark Souls, roll.
It's
a
Tiki
lot.
Man. Masked Jungle Warrior. Oh, no. Does that sound like an enemy from Dark Souls?
Yep. It even looks like an enemy from Dark Souls.
This is
They're models.
all Dark Souls bosses I know have definitely got a kite as a shield.
Wait a minute, he has a pot belly. Like, you can kind of see he has a pot belly. Oh, he has a shield.
Doctor, dude, look, he's so fast.
What?
I just punching you.
What an asshole.
It's like compressed audio.
Eat it. Take the death. Oh, he's doing his TV. Oh, these assholes. I think they explode if you kill them. Like you.
Everything explodes in fire.
I've learned anything.
Everything
Oh,
is
The rain dance.
that is definitely fun.
I didn't say it was a good rain dance.
It's a rain dance. That is definitely.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
I thought he died. I thought he exploded in fire and chunks.
Yeah, he's Minecraft.
The magma blocks.
Yep.
Come on. Come at me, bro. Oh, he's running.
Whoa.
It sounds like he's saying,
Moths!
oh god.
Those are weakness, guys.
Ow.
Hey, he knocked you out of the fire.
Well, that sucks. Get your sword out! Come on! Oh, come on. Alright, I got fairy, so I should res. Come on, res. Okay, you know what? I was considering not doing a boss rush with the mask at the end of the game, but you know what? I've changed my mind. Alright, come on.
Wow. This looks terrible. What the hell is that?
Because I like in the center. Okay. Just die!
Hey.
It's 4.
It's funny how the camera like tracks what you're locked onto.
Yes! We got him, guys!
What was that?
What? Oh, it's glitched through the wall!
It's like,
Okay, guys. We killed the boss. We killed the final boss. Now, we grab our heart piece. And you know what we do now? Yep, we eat it, and then...
That was
Wait,
the
wait,
final
wrong
boss? The game's over already?
This is the closest thing to teabagging we've got. And then we walk in here.
grab the mask.
Grab the mask. You seized Adolwa's remains. You have just freed the innocent spirit that this dark mask had kept imprisoned within the body of evil Adolwa. I mean, seriously, the guy had a major pot belly.
Yep. Saw that weed, man.
It
Yeah.
just floats up into the sky.